Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple ways to tie your hairs. So first, divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on the each section. Now fold it upward and fix it on the alternative side like this. Fix it using the hair clutches and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we have to tie the ponytail. Now fix this hair clip on the hairs. Divide the hairs into three parts. Now roll them and fix it inside the clips one by one as shown in the video. Tie them on the top and then fix it using the bun pin like this and your bun is ready. Next, we have to tie the ponytail and then roll it upward and fix it on the sides using this bun pin. Now tie rest of the hairs on the top like this and fold it down and fix it using this bun clip and it's ready. Next, we have to tie the hairs by taking small section, clip it like this. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll them and fix it inside the clip one by one as shown in the video. Fix it carefully and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail as shown in the video. Now pull back it little bit and then rotate the hairs. After that, fix it from the top. Now tie it from the between, fold it and fix it using the hair back pin like this. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the hairs using the fingers, roll it upward like this. Now fix the hairpins inside the hairs in the between on the top and fix it and it's ready. Next, we will tie a ponytail, fix it in the half on the top, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now fold it upward and fix it from the sides like this, tie it and fix the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Now fix the hairs in the half and then roll the hairs upward like this and fix it using the hair clutch and shown in the video and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Fix the hair clutch over it. Divide it from the between, fold it and fix it inside the hair clutch like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail like this and fix this bun foam. Now, after that, we will spread the hairs over it like this and put the rubber band and fix it from the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs by taking it from both the sides and then fix the hair clutch over it. Now tie all the hairs together as shown in the video. Now fix it from the between and fold it and fix it inside the hair clutch over it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Now fix this hair clip and then we will tie it from the between, roll it down and fix it like this. Put the bun clips on the downside to fix the hairs and your bun is ready. Next, we will tie the hairs as shown in the video. Now fold it upward and fix it like this. Fold it down and fix it. Now tie it on the top and then roll it down and put the bun pins to fix it and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail and fix this bun making tool on the hairs. Now fold the hairs upward and spread it from the sides. Fix it like this to make a bun and put the hair bun pin on the downside and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix this bun stick. Now roll the hairs around it and then fix the rubber band. Now fold it upward and fix it like this. Put it from the sides and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.